been here at Greenview for about 6 months. I want to progress and do whatever I can to help the restaurant out. I also am at the Woodland Community College. This is my first semester there. Matt is very supportive and with me going to school, and he does his very best to work around my schedule, and that's super important to me. I don't know how it came about, but we were talking one day and I was talking about how I used to go to the Santa Rosa JC and life happened and I couldn't go do anything for quite a long time. I mentioned, I would really like to go to school and be able to further educate myself so I can be more efficient here at work. So he really encouraged me and pushed me to go back to school. Maybe he sees something in me, I'm not sure, but really lit a fire under me, and it's really made me feel like I can do it. I'm gonna progress my education and I wanna stay with Greenview. I love living here in Hidden Valley. It's gorgeous here, I like it. The school where my son goes is great, so I like my community and I don't want to go anywhere else. It's great that I can take my golf cart and come right to work, and it's great being able to work so close to a place I love. Something I look forward to during the day. I get to take a break from being a mom and a wife, and I get to come here and be important.